Hello everyone, my name is Shivanshu Gupta, and I already told you about my motive and why I'm creating this channel and what I'm doing in this channel. So before start our journey, I already told you that in this lecture series I'm taking Python first. Okay, and why we are discussing Python and what's the role of Python in our life, and board and universities and colleges are giving us a knowledge about Python. So what is Python and why Python? Okay, so this is a very important question, because we all know what is all the things, but why these are like this, and we know all the objects, but why these objects works whatever working they have. Okay, so this why, clearance of why is very important. So that's why first of all we have to clear why Python. Okay, so I'm going to explain you from the beginning. Okay, so first of all we know what's computer is an electronic device. Okay, which takes some input as a data form and provide us a information. Okay, so if we will see a computer, then computer have two parts. Okay, number one is hardware, and number two is software. Okay, computer have two parts, number one is hardware and software. Okay, hardware, physical component of a computer is called hardware, you all know. Okay, and what is software? Software means when we want to any work, okay, from hardware. So there are two things, like if you want any work from hardware, then you can operate hardware directly. But if you don't want to operate hardware directly, then we need some instructions or set of collection of instruction which will operate hardware. Okay, so these set of instruction is called programs, or this programs is called, collection of programs is called software. So software is collection of programs. We can say software is a collection of programs. Okay, software is collection of programs, and this programs, if you are talking about program, so program is a set of instruction. This program is a set of instruction. Okay, so program is set of instruction. And what is instruction? Instruction means input given by the user. Input given by the user. Okay, so this is program. Input given by the user in the form of data. In the form of data. Okay, so in the form of data. And what is data? Data means collection of bits. Okay, in the data means collection of bits, and bits means what? 0 and 1. Okay, so and we already know, full form of bits is binary digits, and 0 1, computer understands 0 1 means machine language. Okay, so 0 1 is collection of bits, like data say if we are going to a collection of data, then you can say it's a command given by the user. Okay, and instruction given by the user. If collect all those instructions, it's called program, and programs collection is called software. Okay, like for example, if you are taking an example, like we are taking an example of calculator. So what is calculator? Calculator is a software or application. Okay, and calculator operate what? Add numbers, subtract number, multiply number, divide number. Okay, so these are the tasks, or you can say these are the programs, and this collection of programs is called calculator software. Okay, and this addition program also contain like a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. There are two numbers, and then we have operate a logic like c equal to b, then we are using print c statement. Okay, so these are the, so this is the instruction. Okay, and inside this instruction, a equal to 2 and b equal to 3 was what? Data. Okay, so this thing is called data, and this data collection is called instruction. Okay, so it's called instruction. And this instruction collection is called what? This instruction collection is called program. Okay, and this programs collection P1, P2, PT, P3, P4, these programs collection is called software. Okay, so this is the working of software. So we want any work from the hardware. So first of all we have to create software, and with the help of software we can operate hardware. Okay, so these are the thing in front of you. So where Python exists. Okay, so if you want to give any instruction to the computer in the form of program, so we also need a language, because like if I want to communicate with you, okay, and I want to give some information to you, so I am using a language is called what, Hindi or English, it's communication language. So that's why when we, if you want to communicate with the hardware, okay, so we also need a language. It's this special type of language is called programming language. So this special type of language is called what? Programming language. And the example of programming, there are various programming languages like C, C++, Java. Okay, so but currently I am focusing about Python. Okay, so what Python is, who invented Python, and when, and what are the features of Python, we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.